Have you ever wondered how people get connected across the world within seconds? We today onwards are going to discuss the topic networking. Hey everyone, this is our first video about networking. It is a very simple concept if you have understand it. A computer network is a system where two or more computers and devices are connected to share data, resources, and communicate with each other. This connection can be wired or wireless. Why our network is so important? Because they help us share resources like printers and files. They enable fast and easy communication through messages, calls, and email. They allow remote access so people can work or study from anywhere. They provide data backup and security, especially in offices. They make online services like shopping, banking, and streaming possible. We use computer network for sharing resources such as files, videos, and resources, and for communication between our friends and us. Then we use computer network for remote work. For example, to work on the system which is in the office from home, and for the online service such as online banking, cloud storage, and all. And we also use computer network for entertainment such as the online games, movies, music, and all, and also for electronic learning. The last topic we are going to discuss were network architecture. There are mainly two architecture used in networks. The first one is client server architecture. In client server architecture, one central server provides services and data. The client requests what it needs. For example, email, website and email service. These offer better security and used in organizations. The next network architecture where peer-to-peer architecture or P2P architecture. All devices are equal. Each one can share directly with others. No central server is needed. For example, file sharing apps like BitTorrent. It is very easy and cost efficient for small networks. In simple terms, network architecture is the layout how we communicate each other. Thank you.